How to turn off read receipts on Instagram. If you want more privacy while chatting, this feature lets you read messages without sending a scene status to other people. To get started, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and scroll down until you find Messages and Story Replies. Tap on it to open your messaging settings. Now, select Show Read Receipts. If the toggle is turned on, simply tap it to switch it off. Once disabled, people won't see a scene status when you read their messages. Likewise, you also won't be able to see whether other people have read your messages, since the setting works both ways. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off read receipts on Instagram and added a little more privacy to your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.